Monday. Today, plan is to we need to go to Plato's Closet to sell a bunch of clothes that we don't wear anymore. So we're definitely gonna do that. And then we're probably gonna go to this place called Fetch that Pesto happens to love, if you catch my drift, and let him have some fun there for a little bit. But that's the rough estimate of the plan today. We don't know for sure, but it's a gorgeous day. All right, Riley's teas in a box. Woohoo! What's next?
I have socks.
Oh, Riley. We are on our way out of the house. We are going to follow through with the plan that I stated earlier, which was first going to Plato's Closet, try to get some money for our clothes. We have 4 bags, so I'm hoping that they even take the 4 bags, because we went during quarantine and they were like kind of weird about whatever. But so, hi buddy. We're going to go to Plato's, drop off some stuff, hopefully sell a good amount of it. And then after that, while we wait for them to like go through it and stuff like that, we're gonna head to Fetch Dog Park and have Pesto do some playtime, because we haven't been in a really long time. Over the summer we were going like once a week, but we haven't gone in a really long time, so we're gonna go over there. So I'm excited. It's a beautiful day. It is 50 degrees. Beautiful, not a cloud in the sky, as you can see.
It is actually very pretty.
And I'm excited for a good day. Nice cute boy.
Bonk, bonk.
Still, where are we? Where are we, buddy? Let's go to your friends. Woo! Haven't been here in so long, right, buddy?
So excited.
I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Here's your friends. Yay, buddy. Where are we? Bye-bye.
Oh boy, some misty hands. Are you so excited? You gotta be patient.
Those are all of my
Go, buddy, go.
Go, buddy.
I got an eggnog one.
Yeah, cold brew with peppermint Tito's. It doesn't taste like peppermint Tito's, it just tastes like Tito's.
This is the best place ever. Everybody, this is the best place ever. Are you sleepy? Okay, we're back at Plato's, and they literally just texted that they are ready for us, so we timed that perfectly. So let's go. I hope we get some money. I'm sure we'll get something.
We better.
Hopefully we did. All right. Manifest good things.
$100.
Okay, we got our bags back. We got just what we hoped for. $100. Pretty good.
$100.
A lot of it was like random like work clothes, so like I kind of assumed they wouldn't take it, but all the good stuff that we thought that they would take, they took, so that's good.
Yep.
Woo! So now we're both so tired. I'm gonna go home and chill, and I don't know, honestly. Just got back from the park, from Plato's Closet. Everything and it's 4:45. I'm going to go to the gym, just go for a little walk, just to move my body. I'm wearing this Ebb to the Street Lululemon racer back crop, and then these super old Victoria's Secret pink leggings that I'm obsessed with, that I wear and I've worn for literally years, and some really old Adidas in this jacket over it because it's cold outside. So to walk to the gym, I'm gonna stay covered. But gonna go move my body, and then we're gonna get dinner. I am so tired right now. The literal last thing that I want to do is be here. Not the last thing. I just want to sleep, but I want to sleep later. So if I take a nap after 3 o'clock, I wake up feeling like nauseous and sick and uncomfortable. So it's after 3, so I can't do that. But this would be good to move my legs. But for real, I haven't moved my body in a long time, and I'm gonna be glad I did this. Ow, jeez. I always trip in these shoes. And we're going to get Mexican after this. So that is what my motivation is. I just tripped again. Me walking to La Paria. I come home to this sleepy boy. Are you so tired? Did you have a good day? Yeah? So sweet. Good boys. Oh my gosh. Ew. Oh, so scary. Just got done in the gym. Always glad I go, even though I don't want to in the moment, but felt good to walk. Now I'm going to shower, and then we're gonna go to get Mexican food, and I'm so excited. And I'm so hungry. I didn't realize how hungry I was until I worked out. Since we packed up all our stuff, we all of our plates and stuff are all packed up. So I'm a little worried that we're gonna be eating out a lot this week. Hopefully we will not do that. Because we obviously have stuff that we definitely need to eat before we go. But I'm excited. We never go out to eat on a Sunday, so it'll be fun. I'm gonna hurry up and shower so that we can go. That's some cuddles. I wish you could come to dinner. There she is. Oh, baby.
Oh, my boy.
Woo, Riley got a burrito. Looks delicious.
Whole entire avocado on top.
Yeah, that looks good. Nice and fresh. And then I got vegetarian plate with 2 black bean enchiladas and some rice and guacamole salad. Woohoo! Woo!
It's cold.
We're full. That was so delicious, right?
So good.
Everybody go to La Paria. It was delicious.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, until I literally walked in here. He's a baby boy. He's a lovely girl. Wow. Whoa. No way. No way. Hi, Happy. You the happiest boy. Yay. Love you so much.
Okay, so the 70th anniversary of the 70th Miss Universe pageant is on. So we're gonna watch that and just chill out. I'm excited. I'm rooting for USA and Italy. Woohoo!
Oh,
so we
15.
just heard some sad. Okay, first of all, USA did not win. India won.
Italy didn't even make it.
Yeah, Italy didn't even make it. Happy for India. Woohoo. And second, we have some bad news for Riley and his Auburn Tigers. Bo Nix, the quarterback, is transferring, which he wasn't expecting. So we're a little upset here. But other than that, it was a good day.
Yeah.
Good night. Happy Sunday, and thank you for watching. Good night. Everybody say sorry, Riley, in the comments.